So here we are connected to SMC on the home page, which allows us to have a quick view on the attached firewalls and their respective status. To deploy a new VPN topology, I enter into the VPN topology configuration menu. I click on the button to add a new one, a star topology in this particular example, and I select route-based topology. I enter the name of my topology and a description if I want to. The second step concerns the authentication and encryption parameters. I can choose a certificate-based method or a pre-shared key method. I choose the second method in our example here. I then define the center of my star. It's automatically selected with a specific icon. I select the other firewalls I want to integrate into this topology. I apply it. And then the generated VTI objects and their respective IP addresses are automatically created by SMC. All that remains is to create the filtering rules and the VTI interfaces on the SNSs. A CSV file is automatically generated and contains the necessary information to script the creation of the virtual interfaces. I add the names of the interfaces and save it. Then I just have to run the script. I create the rules that allow the flow to be authorized. I just have to deploy the configuration on the firewalls. Now for this type of topology, the VTI interfaces act as gateways to each other to route the flows between the networks through the IPsec tunnel. The IPsec policy is therefore independent of the IP addresses of the tunnel users and the flows to be handled. There are many advantages to doing it this way. I don't need to modify the policy every time I want to add a user. The tunnel is immediately available for any new network or flow. The selection of flows to be sent in the tunnel is more flexible and precise. And finally, I only need one tunnel between two sites, whatever the number of IP networks to be connected. In the VPN monitoring screen, we can see the tunnels of the new route-based topology, which are now mounted.